Hello, Periscope and YouTube. Now, sometimes when I do broadcast, sometimes the videos don't always show up, or you cannot hear me, or you cannot play it at all. So, before I start tonight, can you guys please, give me some hearts so I know you guys can hear me? I'll give you guys a few more minutes here. So, give me some hearts if you can hear me. And video is fine. Please do that before I start, guys. Okay, that's good. Okay, everybody. I guess you guys been wondering what I've been up to and how I'm doing from last night. I'm doing a little bit better today from last night. Let me give you guys a really quick recap. Last night, after my show, I think 1 hour after the show had ended, I had to check my temperature, and, well, I had a temperature last night again. I had a fever again last night. So that didn't go very pleasant night for me. I was a little bit under medication last night, too, which the medication really made me a little bit hoo-hoo. Let's put it that way. Anyways, I guess you guys are wondering how I'm doing today. Well, I'm doing a lot better today. No nose run, no sneezing, just, well, my throat is the only thing that is going on right now. Which, thank you. So glad to be back to my regular self almost, though I have to take a cough syrup now. So, going to try to do what I can to pull off this show. So, as I always do, let's get straight into the poetry reading. The poem is called The Dream Bird Says. I flew into a house out of the blue, flying around the room without any clue. This man caught me twice and was attempting to feed me with rice. With all my struggles, I was trying to fly away. Then this gentle lady let me go astray. Of course, this was only a dream for me, but I want to cherish it and let it stay. I don't know if you guys enjoyed the poem or felt the oomph in it. In case you guys are wondering how did I get the idea of that poem. Well, many of you may think it's from a dream, like the poem tells you so. Actually, no, it wasn't. What happened in real life of that? I guess we had left the door open, or the backyard door open, and somehow a little bird flew in the house. So pretty much my sister was trying to get the bird out of the house, so she attempted to feed it rice and get it out. Which luckily she was the only one that was able to get close to the bird. Because when I tried to get close to it, it only flew away and bumped its head on the blind. Which, it was kind of a weird experience for me. I think I was still pretty young back then. I think in my high school years. And I still remember it to this very day. Still laugh about it still, too. Weird thing to share, but never know. Anyways, guys, as I always say every night, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. And that is a wrap. Join me on the flip side, or the tech side, or Skype. And also, I just want to let you guys know on YouTube real fast. If you have me on YouTube, please like my video or comment and subscribe. And also, another update I'm going to give you guys tonight is that, yes, we have Flashback Friday returning. So, hopefully, if I can get this video uploaded to my YouTube, on time by Friday, you guys will get to see the newest video. In case you guys are wondering, what is this video about? Not gonna tell you guys, sorry. But you guys will find out. And trust me, you might like this video. It's gonna be sort of, I guess, helpful to some of you. Or sort of may answer some questions for you guys. And some other people on YouTube and everywhere. So, see you guys all tomorrow night again. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. See ya.